Oh, wala. Pretend lang. Pretend like you're what you call that?
Angelo stop now.
What happened? Pretend lang ha, pretend. If na teacher, can I just pretend because I don't have a ball?
Yeah, it's so funny. Chicken and banana.
Come on. So that we can
Teacher,
Yes, Pa, Jacob, do you
can
have
I
your...
I don't have a ball, but I can just pretend, no? Because I don't have.
Plushie.
Flashy.
What about Bobby? I can break my shit and joke.
Any...
I just think of, I can break
Okay, like throw and tap. Throw and tap. Ay,
Flashy.
I'll remove the blur of
What's flashing?
Yes, Pa. Oh, no. You can use crumpled paper. You can use crumpled paper. Throw and tap. Throw, tap. Yes, Pa.
Oh.
Wala, oy.
Throw and tap.
Nanay babaway.
Throwing and
Do I
tap.
need
Uy,
to,
kita mo ka sa...
teacher, do I need to video?
No. Later, you will video later. We need to try first. Okay?
In the final match?
Yes, po. Okay, let's practice. One by one. Throw and tap. Let's see who can do it. Try it, Celine.
Like this?
Throw. Throw it higher.
Pretend ka. Here, come.
Yeah, you need to throw it higher and then tap down.
Like
When
that.
One,
I
two,
go
go.
here.
Yeah. Okay.
Here,
So,
here,
already-
come.
It's
Try.
not working.
Hey.
But look at my shirt.
Throw and tap.
My face.
Throw
My
and
face,
tap.
okay.
Throw
Okay.
and tap.
Throw and tap.
Throw
Oh.
and tap.
Throw and
Okay?
tap. Oh, like that. Oh, come. There. In the camera lang.
Alright. So you will just do this 3 times.
Throw
The
and tap.
throwing and
Throw and tap.
tapping down.
Oh.
Throw,
Throw and tap.
tap. Okay? Alright, ready?
No, you. When I
Let's
throw
try
it,
with
you.
Celine
When I
first.
throw it to you, you do this.
Okay.
You do
Okay,
this.
Celine, ready?
Okay.
3 times.
Okay.
And you need to throw
Put
it.
it back to me,
Okay.
okay?
1, 2, 3, go.
No! Throw like that ba?
Throw.
Oh, very good. 2 hands.
One more.
2 hands.
Throw and
2
tap.
hands.
Okay.
Last one.
Like
Throw
that.
and tap.
Yeah.
Good job.
Like this one. Look.
Alright,
Can I
Look at
kiss
mama.
the-
Look at mama.
Next, let us try it with
Jacob.
Angelo.
Can I do
Okay,
this?
Angelo, throw and tap.
Oh, like that. Oh. Sit
Throw
down
it.
lang, sit down. You can
And
kiss
tap.
up.
Yeah,
See in the
very
camera.
good. 2 more.
Oh. There. Look.
Throw
Sit down properly.
and tap.
Like that.
Good job. Last one, Angelo.
Don't. Oh, like that. Like that ba?
Okay.
Monkey
Last one.
always holds them.
Throw and tap. Okay, very good. Thank you, Angelo and Celine. Done.
Throw
Very
and
good.
tap.
This time, let's have
Throw and
Irvine.
2 hands. Taki.
No,
Throw and tap.
stop.
Irvine.
No, 2 hands. Oh.
Sure, I haven't prepared the chair.
Come on na.
No. Just throw and tap for now. No need for the chairs here. Where is your...
Look, it's
What happened there? No,
Prepare
I
your
Jacob.
balls first.
Out that
Okay,
one.
already.
Out that one. Out.
And then you
Teacher
need to
cannot
tie.
see you.
Tie it.
Up.
Okay, let's have Alfred first.
Oh, none.
Alfred, you
Okay.
ready?
Throw and tap.
And tap.
Good
Good job.
2 hands.
Another.
2 hands.
Okay.
Very good again. Last one, Alfred.
Oh, like that.
Ping pong.
Throw
Good
and
job. Nice one.
Throw and-
Okay, see.
Oh, you na yun.
Alfred.
is your name?
Alfred.
Chow and Tut.
Sit down.
No, you.
And
What is your name?
No, no.
My name is Teacher Joanna.
That's
Sorry.
Teacher Joanna. Remember?
No, I forgot.
Teacher.
I forgot about you, bro.
Teacher Joanna. Teacher.
No, ma.
God,
Oh, here.
teacher,
Oh,
wait.
so sad.
Teacher.
Opo, Irvine.
You know
I remember
Teacher
Joanna.
There was a spider web on my
Ready na? Ready na si Elaine?
spider on my
Check,
roof.
Mama, look inside my mouth in the thing
Oh, I
screen.
see. Alright, oh, this
Oh,
time
sit
it's
down,
Elaine.
sit
A black hole.
Okay?
Out ka,
Ready?
out lagi, out that one.
Throw.
No, out that one ba?
Yup.
Out that one.
Throw.
Make it normal. Nan.
Throw. Very good. Second
This
You're
guy
next.
look
Oh, you're next. Ask it.
Throw.
Oh, like that. Throw. And tap.
Yup.
And tap. Very good.
Throw
Again,
and
last
tap.
one.
Oh.
Throw and fun. Throw and fun. So it can fly.
Nasaan na sila? Okay. Very good. Okay, this time, I'll be asking Bennett na. It's Bennett's turn.
Oh.
Ready?
No,
Bennett
lagi.
and Irvine.
Background
Ready?
ko.
Bennett and
You cannot
Irvine?
be seen.
The two of you. Okay. Throw. And tap. Good.
Grass.
Throw.
Touching grass.
And tap.
I didn't even look.
Yes, if you need,
I'm in the
if you need
beach.
kids to have, like, take a video of it so that you will not take a video later. It's okay. Alright. Next, last one. Throw and tap.
Oh, everything.
There you go. Good job.
Red button. Red button.
Okay, everybody was able
What
to
happens
throw
if
and
I
tap
touch
their
red
ball. You
button?
can
No,
just
Jacob,
practice
you're
and
not-
then again, don't
you're not
forget to
Nico.
practice and take a video. Okay? And so 3 things that we need to learn today is throwing and tapping, and the next thing is the push upward. This one, we will do the push upward.
No, we cannot
Push
see
up.
it, Cup. Excuse, Cup.
Push upward.
Oh,
Now
excuse,
you
Cup.
need to
Wait,
push the ball
I'm
up
doing
using your
something.
Wait,
hands.
wait. Because we cannot see
Like
that picture.
this, right? And then
Oh,
this.
sorry. Oh, yun. Oh, toss na daw ko, no?
Yes.
Push up. Then which one?
Like this. Okay, show your Okay, again, show your hands
It's
first.
magic.
Your hands.
Like this. And then close your 2 thumbs.
Cup,
Ready?
like this,
Then,
Cup.
that's
Cup.
it. Tush. Tush. Yan. Then you need, someone needs to throw the ball and you need to catch it.
Come on, get the ball. Like this. No.
Okay? Yan. It could be mommy or it could be your sibling.
Oh, why did you?
Sit down lang, sit down. No,
Yeah.
lagi teacher cannot see you
Okay,
properly.
someone will throw the
Okay,
ball
okay,
and
go.
you
Look,
will
look.
It's
catch
just
it
the shot.
using your hand like this. Okay?
No,
Dapat yung hands natin nakaganito. Tapos, yan. Catch it.
Wait, go far. Shoo,
Ah,
shoo. Go
like that.
You
far.
will do it 3 times. Okay?
Ah,
Ayan, si Jacob. Let's watch it, Jacob.
Go very
Okay,
far.
ready, Jacob? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Again.
Together. Second time.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, very good. Yan.
Wait,
Listen. 1, 2, 3.
Go, Jacob.
Go!
Very good.
Limawat mo.
Okay, good job, Jacob.
Teacher, can I show you something? Look, the monkey is sting.
Why is the background like that? Yeah.
And look at my shirt.
Yeah, you
My
look like a
face.
beach man. Coconut man. Okay,
Why
thank
is
you,
Trump
Jacob. No, he made his background like that. It's only white. The white part will only change. Okay, next po, let's have Alfred. Good job, Jacob. Alfred, ready? Someone will throw the ball and you will catch it. 3 times. Ready? Go.
3 times?
Opo.
Eh.
One. Okay, 2. Last one. And 3. Yay! Good job, Alfred. Good job. Next, let us have Celine.
Bang.
Okay, ready, Celine? Please, someone will throw the ball and you will...
Can I be next?
Okay po, sige po, after Celine.
Do
Okay, ready? And... Yeah, very good. 2. Second. Good job. One more. One more. One more. Yeah, very good. And the last one? Third time. Ready, go. Very good, Celine. Let's have Bennett. Bennett wants to do next. Okay, ready, Bennett? Okay. Who's
Yeah,
going
wait.
to throw the ball?
Down in on top.
Okay, okay. Ready? You have to catch it. Oh, mommy will throw the ball. Okay. 1.
Oh.
Very good, Bennett. 2. Good job, Bennett. And 3. Nice one. Okay. So later, Bennett, you need to take a video of that. Okay, you could do it outside the house. Okay, next, let's have see Irvine. Okay, Irvine, someone will throw the ball and you will catch it. Ready, go. 1. Okay, another. 2. And last one. 3.
Mama!
What?
Thank you.
Hala, I
Thank you
recorded
for...
it pa ya.
It's here, brother.
Hala, you cover your
Okay,
camera.
good job, Irvine. Next,
Look,
this is my uncle,
look.
not my brother.
Lagay na sa mga
Sorry.
brother.
Okay, uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you
I
po.
think that's his
Let's have si
pops.
Angelo. Angelo, ready?
No, we're recording.
Mm.
I'm recording you.
So, Angelo will do it.
Yeah, I'm just seeing. Oh.
Ready? Let's watch
Oh.
Angelo. How he does. Angelo,
That's the same
ginagawa
camera
ni
there.
Angelo sa background.
Don't.
Dang.
No,
My mic was
not
on
sure
though, but
anymore.
it's just
I need to throw and push up.
Come on. Take your
Bennett.
Ay, no. Wala na. Mama Bennett will get kuan. Hala.
It's the same.
Wala na. Kinain na ng background si Angelo. Okay.
I should bring a beach
Yeah.
when I'm going to meet Angelo again.
Yeah, I think it's good to pay that. And I think it's good to have the expo near the beach next time. Nah, just kidding.
No, like I'm going to teacher.
Opo. Okay, so we're going to do activity time. This time we need your 2 chairs and your string or your yarn. You need to put it in between. And this time you need someone to be your opponent. I will take a video.
Each point is 1 or 2.
Yes, correct. Okay, so let's see. Yes, Celine, you have a question, sir? What?
Could you make a hole?
Oh, no string or yarn.
Where? Mark it the hook mark.
A stick.
What
A long
happened?
stick.
A long stick.
Maybe the one that you use for laundry. The one that you
Nothing.
like that. Do you have anything or broom? A broom stick.
Stop acting. Stop acting.
I use the one that you use for
Sit
sweeping
down
the
po.
house.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah,
Sit
a
down.
broom. Yes. Okay, this time you have an opponent. Alright? And then the room is divided into 2. Just like Alfredo, ganun. And this time, it's gonna be 1 round. The first one who gets a point will be the winner. Okay? So,
Oh, just 1 match.
yeah, only 1 match.
One
Alright.
round.
1 round. So the you will take turn kasi. And then so that if your mom or dad is busy, it's gonna be short lang. Okay? So we will have Alfred first.
Dali, let's practice. Look, give me
You
your ball.
need to make sure
Like this ba?
your
We're
opponent
going to practice.
your opponent will not make her ball touch your ground.
Come on.
I signed up for the second place.
Oh, nice.
Come on now.
Okay, everybody, let's watch first
I'm
the
going
Alfred.
downstairs. I'm going to
Ready?
get coffee.
Okay.
Go, Alfred.
There, and you back.
Teacher, what will we do?
You need to have a one match with your
Race.
opponent.
Ay, hala.
Who's my opponent?
Maybe you could have ate or mom or dad.
There.
Okay.
Okay.
Go, Alfred.
Guys, my ball is so
Oh.
small.
No, like this. You do
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
You do this.
How
Oh.
will we play
Yeah.
it?
Ay.
Just make sure it will not touch your
Bebe.
your ground.
Okay.
Touch.
Yes. Someone will throw and then you need to stop it from
Like this.
touching the ground. Okay,
Stop.
go. Throw and tap. Good
Go.
job.
Go.
And then
Oh, like
oh
that.
yes, you can tap and you can. Did it
Ah,
touch your floor? The floor, Alfred? Not yet. Very good si Alfred.
Oh. Oh.
Wala
Like
pang
that.
point ang opponent ni Alfred.
Like that. Ah.
Okay. Alright, time's up. And the winner
Another
here
class
in
is like
Alfred's
other
match
time.
is
Class of so long, but today's class is much long, but another but
This time it's gonna be
other
Celine's
classes,
turn.
it's a like short time for
Yan,
learning.
Celine, you will be on the other side. Give the ball to your opponent.
That's a lot.
Okay.
No.
Oy, no!
So Celine, your opponent
Okay,
will
here.
throw the ball to you.
Oh.
But you
Then I
need to
know.
make sure it will
Come on.
not
I
touch
know.
your
Okay,
floor.
okay.
No.
Yeah.
That's 5 points.
Ito-throw
Ano?
lang ni mommy yung ball sa'yo na
Oo.
ilang
Go,
beses.
season.
Yes.
Oy!
And then you need to defend
One,
your
oh.
court. It
Oh.
should not fall on your floor. Okay? Go. Go to the other side, Celine.
6
Give the
points.
ball to mommy. Okay.
Oh, like
Yes,
that.
other side ka na, Celine.
Like that.
Flushy, you
Like that.
can use flushy, not the ball.
Like
Yes.
that.
Okay.
Like that.
Ready,
Very
Celine?
good.
And go.
Okay, go.
What's up?
Teacher, no,
Go.
I don't know.
One
Okay.
more try. Go. Put it to the other side.
Man.
Okay, ready,
Okay, go.
One, two. I know.
Tap and
You
go.
said 2 hands.
Okay, ready?
2 hands to think.
No, two. Only
Okay,
like that.
okay, okay.
Yun. Ganyan. Very
Oh.
good. Next. Sige po.
I know,
touch na
lagi.
ng floor si
Buti.
Okay,
Not
the
that
winner
one,
is
eh.
Celine.
Only like that. Only like that.
Okay, na-touch na ni Celine yung floor. Next, let us have Jacob.
Oh,
Jacob
Jacob.
and Dad.
1, 2,
Ready,
3.
Jacob?
Teacher?
Ah.
Apo.
Oy. Ah, come on. 1, 2.
Okay.
Oh.
Yan.
Other one.
Go, Jacob.
1, 2.
Nag-start na si Jacob tsaka si Dad. Hindi pa nakakapagka si Dad.
Oh, one.
Okay, go.
My
Pala, sorry.
Oy.
Okay, no.
Score.
Okay,
1, 2.
na-touch ng isang beses. Okay, ready, go.
Oy.
Go.
Oy.
More, Jacob.
1, 2,
more.
3.
That's like
Ay! Not lagi na ton. 1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
Mataas yung
I know! No kicking! Ay.
And,
Done.
again, in volleyball, we cannot use our...
You cannot use your
foot.
feet. Oh!
Okay. And, oh no, Jacob. Nakawala si Mom Jacob.
1, 2.
You try it again later, Jacob.
Oh,
Okay?
yay!
Yan.
Ah,
Okay,
done.
at this time, let's have Bennett and Mommy. Yan. So, Bennett,
That lagi ko.
do you have a partner? Bennett, ayun, meron partner si Bennett. Okay, ready. So, Bennett, someone will throw it to you, and you need to make sure it won't fall on your floor. Okay?
Like, so 3 people, 1 throws it.
Yes. She
And
will throw it several times to you, and you need to defend your court. Okay? Okay. Alright, ready? And defend your court. Go!
Papa, what does lata mean?
For who? Oh,
Flat.
no! Oh my God!
Or spoon, fruits.
It's in the middle. Ready, go!
Lata. Lata in Tagalog is a can.
Next, go!
Oh, Bisaya.
Not
Very good, Bennett!
Yeah, or
Yay!
When you-
One more.
when a cat runs over by a car,
Oh no!
flat. Lata.
Okay. So there you go. Thank you, Bennett. Bennett won against. Yes, alright. Good job. He defended his court very well, just like Alfred and Celine. Okay, Lay. Lay, are you ready, Lay?
I don't know.
Let's have Lay and Irvine at the same time.
I'm gonna do it now. I'm just gonna prepare for this.
Opo. Yan. Okay. Someone will throw the ball several times to you, and you have to defend your court. Okay? Okay, ready? Give it to the one who's going to throw the ball, Lay. Yes. Okay, very good. Ready? And go! Oops. Very good. Oops, very good. Oops, very good. Oops, very good. Good job! Okay, thank you, Irvine. Thank you, Lay. Again, don't forget to take a video later, okay? That's gonna be your activity output. Thank you. That's a nice try, Irvine and Lay. We are enjoying volleyball. Next, last one, let's have Angelo. Ready, Angelo? Who's gonna throw the ball, Angelo? Okay, defend your court. Okay, ready, go.
Yes, teacher.
Okay po, ready, go. Oh, very good. Good job. Okay. Go. Last one. Good job. Very nice. Okay, that's a nice volleyball game for Angelo. Okay, everybody, let's do it again. You try tapping and pushing up. I'll take a video. Ready, set, and
Recording in
go.
progress.
Yes. Continue playing. You have 5 minutes of playing. Go, go, go. I need the record. Defend it. Ready, go. 5 minutes.
Okay.
Go, go, go. Irvine and
Ball went
Aldo.
to the kitchen.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Yeah.
The ball went to the
To
kitchen.
the kitchen. Lay, where are you, Lay? Celine, you can still play. Celine. Play the ball all by yourself. You can do it. You can do practice.
You're going to the bathroom.
Okay pa, sige pa, sige. Go ahead.
To the side.
Yan. Okay, at least we can see that you were able to learn how to do it. Okay.
Recording stopped.
There you have it. This time,
Teacher, I won the match.
Apo, you drink some water muna and then we will go with our activity.
Careful ha, you might end the koan. Clicking space. Rat.
Are you in video? You need to take a video of you doing the valuable activity later. It could be 10 seconds, 20 seconds, alright? Yes. And then upload it in Google Classroom, okay?
Upload it to Google.
Okay, everybody, I need you to get your whiteboard and your marker. Apo, whiteboard and marker na po. We're done. take rest muna. Drink some water and take some rest. Okay, take some rest and then please get your whiteboard and your marker.
Teacher, is it okay if it's paper?
Opo, okay lang po.
Whiteboard ko.
baboy. Chicken lechon baboy.
Where's your whiteboard ko? Get your whiteboard na, please.
Teacher, I see someone in your back. Is that your...
Where's your whiteboard? I'll get lang paper. Okay.
Yes, Angelo, she is my daughter.
Come on, Akop.
Okay. And if you can hear her screaming, that's her. She's very
Teacher, what do
noisy.
we need to do?
Get a whiteboard and a marker na po. After you drink some water.
Why I'm so tired. Teacher,
Yeah.
what is I am sharing doc?
Dito lying.
Hmm?
What is I am sharing doc?
I am sharing now. Ah, it's still loading.
What is? Is I'm going to click it.
Okay. No. Don't click that one. I stopped sharing that one. Okay. So let's have volleyball quiz. This is equals to 1 to 5 only. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, done writing 1 to 5. Okay. The first question is... Okay, I hope everybody is ready.
Because of that thing.
This sport can be played both indoors and on beaches. What sport is this? This can be played in... Alright, again. This sport can be played indoor and in beaches. Okay.
Is it volleyball? Volleyball.
Write your answer, please.
Yes, volleyball.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. I'll be waiting for you to answer.
Gawin. Lacking Y.
Teacher, look. Look.
Apo.
It should be 5.
There must be Y after E, Cob. There must be Y after E. Y.
Your legs out.
After
your legs
E.
out. Go.
Put Y.
Done writing it.
Okay.
After
Let's wait for
after
your
E. After E.
classmates.
Oh, erase the Y there.
This sport can be made indoor and where?
I don't know how can it be deleted.
It is question. Teacher, what about that eraser one?
Okay, number 1 is sport can be played indoor and alright, on beaches. Okay, that's number 1.
What?
What did you make? Did you make the zip line? That's why you're asking if
Okay.
I'm a police.
Are we still recording?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm not.
Oh, then we
No,
got
I'm not. I stopped recording. Again, number 1 is
But again, you
this is
know, make sure it fits on the over
can be
or
played
simple machine. Okay?
indoor
Okay,
and
well, so
on
far, you
beach.
made the 4. Okay, so you
Okay,
know
number
you
2.
made your lever, you made
Ready for
your
number
wheel and
2?
axle, which is the car thing, and then today, you're making
Okay. How many players per team in volleyball? Just write the number. How many players?
So just make sure, of course, that you're keeping it safe hands. Okay?
How many
Thank you, Shana.
players
So I will be back to our
in each
picture once I finish it.
volleyball team? Indoor. Indoor ha, hindi sa beach, okay? Alright. How many players in each volleyball team indoor? And for number 3, I need a number again. And how many players in each volleyball team
Number 2,
on
Cobb.
the beach? If it's
Okay,
being
well.
played
Two,
outdoor or on the
two.
beach, how many
Number 2 is
players?
6. Come on, 6 players, Cobb. Number 2, indoor, 6 players. Come on. Number 2, 6.
I'm just gonna type 6.
Oh.
6.
And number 4, okay. I put the question in the chat box, okay? You can check the questions in the chat box.
Mama, in the beach, in the two. I thought of that. Two.
Next, how many touches? How many touches
Extra?
can we do to return the ball?
You read the kuan caption there. What is the caption?
So how many touches only? The ball is on your court, and you can only touch it how many times
Once.
until it gets
One.
back to the other
Oh,
side.
one.
1.
Make it 1.
Is it two?
One.
Is
Yeah,
it
one.
three? Is it only one?
I made 1.
Write word 1B. It cannot be seen.
Okay.
One.
One lang
One.
din. Oh, very good. Very good.
Don't worry, you can go back to the question in the chat box, okay?
It's okay. I'll go into
I made a
adjust
mistake
it
with
to-
5.
At least you
Okay,
have
number
picture.
5. We need to avoid the ball
Look,
of our opponent to touch what?
Watching you.
It starts with
You
letter
like
F.
yourself at this.
Football.
And I put the spelling.
Number 6.
There.
Cup.
F blank 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 blank.
What is the question of number 6?
It should not touch the fl.
Okay. It's okay na di ay.
It should not touch your fl. Yes, Celine. What's your question, Celine?
Oh, flow.
Wala question. Okay po.
Floor.
Yeah, flow.
Oh, it's inverted.
Floor
FL.
with double,
FL. This
double
must
O.
be L.
Na?
Mm.
Floor.
FL.
F
FL.
Double O.
L.
R. Last one is R.
Okay.
L.
Ready?
Wait.
L. O. R.
Who's in number 5 na? Done na si Bennett. Alfred, done? Larry, done?
Yes.
Very good. Irvine, done?
Cookies.
Okay. Jacob?
Show your answer,
Done.
Cup.
Si Selena and Angelo are still writing. Jacob is showing a video in his background.
Cup.
Okay.
Open the camera, Cup.
Angelo, what is it pa?
Open the camera, Cup.
Okay.
I'm still in 1.
Focus
I'm still in number 3.
Okay. But you can see the question, right? Okay, good. Sige, we can wait for you. Yes, Celine? Celine, what's your question?
The first one I like volleyball.
Oh, don't say your answer.
Yeah, but I can't.
It's okay. In number 3 and number 4, number 2, number 3, number 4, the answer is numbers. Okay, numbers only.
The lights off again.
Yeah. Number 2. Number 2, question, how many players in each volleyball team indoor? You need to answer a number. Number 3, how many players in each volleyball team on the beach? You need to answer in number as well.
Mama,
And
what's
number
an
4, how
analog?
many touches can we do to return
What
the
does
ball?
this thing?
Number. You need to answer with number.
Cause but you can see cause your false. Come. What is A-N-A?
Okay, I think everybody
L-O-G.
correct.
Horo?
Analog.
Angela,
What does that mean?
I don't know.
I'm gonna think.
Alfred, finish?
What
Okay pa.
is
Show your answer, ha?
Wait lang natin si Siri. Okay, everybody, I need you.
what is that?
I will count 1 to 10. You show your whiteboard, okay, or your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time's up. Show your answer, everybody. I'll take a picture now.
And she can
If you're
go
not in the
down.
picture. Okay, 1, 2, and 1. Okay, let's answer. Answer number 1 is
Papa, what's analog?
volleyball.
Wow, volleyball. You know
Put a
lagi.
big check if you
Check
have
daw.
the word
Huh?
Put a
volleyball
check
in
daw
there.
if it's correct.
Check.
The answer in
Tulo.
number
Volleyball
2
check.
is 6. 6. 6 players for indoors.
Wow.
6 players.
Why did you know?
Number 3.
Mama also helped
The
me, but I know
answer
at
is
the end.
only 2. 2 players if it's on the beach.
Teacher,
Apo.
why before when I read number 1 there wasn't and on beach?
Number 1.
Papa, why
would you
drive the motor right now?
There. This sport can be played in indoor or on beach. The answer is
No,
You
volleyball.
have work.
I couldn't see the beach.
In number 2.
No, number 1.
Number 1. But it's okay. What's your answer in number 1?
The beach because I thought it was blank.
Okay. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Alright. Next, number 5. We need to avoid the ball of our opponent to touch the... To touch what? Floor. Okay. Yes po, Celine. The answer in number 4 is 3 touches. Only 3 touches. Opo, number 4, 3 touches.
Focus.
I got 2, 1, and 3 correct answers.
Oh, that's okay po. Don't worry, it's not recorded. It's just something that you need to remember, okay? Okay. Who got a perfect score?
Who got perfect
No
score?
one. Okay. Who got 4?
Okay.
Who got 4 points? Bennett got 4 points. Who got 3 points?
I got 3 points.
Okay, very
You
good.
how?
I don't
Who got
know.
2 points?
Forgot.
You check ba?
Okay, there you go. So,
What's the answer of
time
your
for
number
us to
4?
also say goodbye. I will
Three.
see you again next time. Don't forget to
No,
have
it's
your
two.
in
Is that recorded,
Google
Mango?
Classroom. Bye, 2B.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, okay.